Welcome back to our Chapter 1 project writing series. Remember to subscribe for more updates and tutorials on project writing. In our previous videos, we covered several important sections. 1. Background to the study. 2. Statement of problem. 3. Purpose of study. 4. Research questions. 5. Significance of the study. Now, let's talk about research hypotheses. This will help you understand how to formulate hypotheses for Chapter 1. Here's a simpler explanation. When writing your research hypotheses, it's important to start with an introductory statement that aligns with your research objectives and questions. You'll predict the results based on these objectives. You can use either null or alternative hypotheses. Null and alternative hypotheses. In hypothesis testing, you typically formulate both null and alternative hypotheses. The null hypothesis, H0, represents the default assumption or the absence of an effect, while the alternative hypothesis, H1, proposes the presence of an effect or relationship between variables. Example hypotheses. Let's consider the example provided. 1. Null hypothesis, H1, social media usage has no negative effect on human relationships. 2. Alternative hypothesis, H2, social media does not influence human relationships. Here, the null hypothesis suggests that there is no relationship between social media usage and human relationships, while the alternative hypothesis implies that there is an influence. Testing and analysis. Once you have formulated your hypotheses, you will design your research methodology to test them. This may involve collecting data, conducting statistical analyses, and interpreting the results to determine whether the evidence supports or rejects the null hypothesis. 1. Importance of hypotheses. Hypotheses provide a clear framework for guiding your research and structuring your analysis. They help focus your efforts and provide a basis for making conclusions about the relationships between variables. Overall, the research hypotheses section plays a crucial role in the research process by formalizing specific predictions that you aim to test empirically. It helps ensure clarity and rigor in your study design and analysis, ultimately contributing to the advancement of knowledge in your field. Remember, hypotheses should align with your research objectives and questions. In our next video, we'll discuss the scope of the study. Don't forget to subscribe for updates and more videos. And if you need assistance with your project writing, visit our website or hire one of our writers. We're here to provide you with complete, high-quality research work. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.